There's something about a rainy day that makes everything feel slower. Like the world just tells you to take it easy. And what a better way to get a little boost of joy than cracking open some stellar miracle Pokemon cards? This set is supposed to have some crazy hits, secret rares, alt arts, maybe even a god pack. Let's just open it up and see what we get. I am kind of struggling opening this pack. I'm not used to opening Pokemon packs because they're so hard to come by nowadays. Everything's so expensive. There you go. Finally! Okay, guys. Let me just get the cards out. Hopefully I get a hit, like something shiny, something hollow. I really need this right now. Okay, here we go. I think that's called Impidimp. Cubone. I think I see something shiny though. Oh, it is! It's a Score Bunny Miracle. That's exactly what I wanted. Rainy days might be gloomy, but this is pure serotonin.